Do you want to know how you can log into your Bitsports AI account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your bitsportsai.com or your Bitsports AI account. Go ahead and open your Chrome or Edge browser and go to the Google search bar to search for Bitsports AI login. You can see the third link. Go ahead and click on the third link and it will lead you to the official login portal of Bitsports. So this is your Bitsports account login portal. You can sign in using these, or you can just sign in using your email address or password. So if you want to sign in using Google, Facebook, Apple, Xbox or PlayStation IDs, you can go ahead and click these. If you are new to Bitsports, click create an account and create an account for yourself. Now if you want to log in using your email address, then go ahead and write it down. Write down your email address and the password associated with your Bitsports.ai account. After you write down your email address and password, click sign in. This way you can successfully sign in to your Bitsports.ai account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.